Hello student, today we will solve a question from JEE 2005. In the question it is given that matrix A and identity matrix, and we need to find for n greater than or equal to 1 which of the four options is correct using principle of mathematical induction. Let's see how to solve this question. In the question we have given matrix A and identity matrix. So first find matrix A power n. For this, using induction method, first put n equal to 1, then you will get matrix A power 1 which is 1 1 0 1. Now put n equal to 2, you get matrix A square which is equal to 1 2 0 1. Similarly, put n equal to 3, we get 1 3 0 1. So we observe that if we put n equal to n it, then we will get matrix 1 and 0 1. So next move to second step. Now find matrix n multiply with matrix A, which is n and 0 n. And since we need to find an equal to na minus something, so an is 1 and 0 1 which is equal to n 0 and n. Here is something we don't know it. Here you will observe that this n and this n is fine, but here is 1 and here is n. So for this we need to eliminate, means we need to subtract n minus 1. So what we will do is we will minus n minus a with n minus 1 and identity matrix. After doing this, we get matrix A power n which is equal to n into matrix A minus n minus 1 into identity matrix. This is our final answer. Let's check the options and see which option is correct one. Option B is correct. After solving, we get this. You can also get this concept in NCERT class 11th mathematics book on page number 73 and line number 14. Thank you.